In a small village near the sea, there lived a boy named Max. Despite his family's struggles, his heart brimmed with hope and dreams of adventure. Max often found solace in the rhythm of the waves and the vast ocean stretching endlessly before him. Every day, he would walk along the beach, his thoughts filled with far-off lands and hidden treasures. One day, as Max wandered the beach, something caught his eye, a glimmering bottle buried in the sand. His heart raced with excitement as he dug it out. Inside, he found a map, yellowed with age and marked with an X on a faraway island, labeled the Island of Diamonds. The villagers, upon hearing about his discovery, scoffed at him. They dismissed the island as nothing more than a fable, a tale passed down by old seafarers. But Max, filled with courage and a sense of wonder, could not ignore the pull of adventure. He packed his belongings, a small satchel with a few provisions, and set sail. The ocean, vast and mysterious, became his guide as he journeyed toward the unknown. Days turned into nights as he watched the stars twinkle above him, their light offering comfort and direction. The wind whispered stories of distant lands, urging him onward. Finally, one morning, as the sun kissed the horizon, Max spotted the island, its silhouette glowing like a dream. The moment he laid eyes on it, he knew that this was no ordinary place. As his boat drifted closer, he could see the shoreline sparkling as if diamonds lay scattered on the sand. The scent of sweet honey filled the air, and the trees were heavy with fruits of every imaginable color. It was a paradise, untouched and magical. Max stepped ashore, his heart racing with excitement. The island's beauty took his breath away, and yet he sensed that this was only the beginning of his journey. Little did he know, the island was not only a land of treasures, but suddenly, from behind a cluster of shimmering flowers, a small creature emerged, a glittering guardian named Sparkle. "Welcome, brave traveler," Sparkle chirped in a melodic voice. "You are about to witness the wonders of the island, but remember, the treasures here are only for those with a pure heart." Max, his eyes wide with wonder, nodded eagerly. Sparkle flitted before him, guiding him deeper into the island. As they ventured further, they came upon a meadow full of vibrant flowers, their petals glowing softly in the sunlight. The air was filled with the intoxicating scent of honey, dripping from the trees like liquid gold. Sparkle explained that this was the honey of joy, a gift for those who could appreciate life's simplest pleasures. Max tasted the honey, and a warmth spread through his body. Joy bubbled up within him, a pure and simple happiness that made him laugh aloud. He realized that the true treasure of the journey was not gold or jewels, but the memories and lessons along the way. As the laughter faded, Sparkle led Max to a towering mountain in the distance, its peak glistening in the sunlight. The air became cooler as they approached, and Max noticed vines heavy with the juiciest grapes, their deep purple skins almost shimmering. "These are the grapes of wisdom," Sparkle explained. "They grant knowledge to those who seek understanding, not just wealth." Max plucked a grape from the vine and ate it, savoring the sweet, tangy flavor. As he did, a sense of clarity filled his mind, and the world seemed to slow around him. From that moment on, he understood that his journey was about much more than treasure. It was about courage, joy, and the wisdom to know what truly mattered. The climb to the mountain's peak was challenging, but Max pushed on, each step bringing him closer to a greater understanding. When he reached the top, he gazed out over the island, marveling at its beauty. The landscape stretched before him like a living tapestry, each part of the island a lesson in its own right. As they descended from the mountain, the sun began to dip low in the sky, casting long shadows across the land. Sparkle led Max to a hidden cave nestled at the foot of the mountain. The entrance was guarded by two ancient statues, their eyes gleaming with a mystical light. "Only those with a pure heart can enter," Sparkle said softly. Taking a deep breath, Max stepped forward, feeling the weight of his courage and determination guiding him. Inside the cave, the walls sparkled with gold and precious gems. In the center of the cave, resting on a simple pedestal, was a crown, a symbol of power and leadership. A note lay beside it, its delicate script reading, "For the one who leads with love and courage." Max's heart beat faster as he reached for the crown. The moment his fingers touched it, the ground beneath him trembled, and the cave began to glow with an otherworldly light. The transformation was breathtaking. Before Max's eyes, a hidden kingdom emerged from the depths of the cave. Its brief. Sparkle declared Max the rightful king of the island of diamonds, praising his courage and kindness. Max promised to lead with compassion, sharing the island's treasures with all who needed them. Under his rule, rivers of milk and honey flowed for everyone, and the island became a haven for joy and friendship. Max opened the island to travelers with pure hearts, spreading the message of kindness and bravery. Years passed, and the boy who once dreamed of adventure was now a wise and beloved king. His legend inspired people across the seas, proving that true wealth lies in love, courage, and the joy of sharing.